Hello, if you've never seen me before. Hi, hold on. Hello, if you've never seen me before. I don't like this here. I don't like it there either. Go away, go away. It's a beautiful sight. We're happy tonight. Walking in a winter wonderland. In the meadows, we can build a snowman. Wait, hold on. That's way off key. Hello, if you've never seen me before. Hi, my name is Youkeyy, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back today. We're gonna do a holiday look so you can go out and slay. Hey. Oh, yes. I just thought of that on the spot. Oh, look at, ooh. Come on, neurotransmitters. Come on, synapses. I'm so sorry. I got a little bit too excited there, but yo, I literally just snapped and I can't even deal with myself. Wow, bro, nah, we have to make this a yearly thing. We have to definitely make that a yearly thing. Gotta put that in my memory, okay? As you can tell, we're gonna be doing a holiday look today. I love Christmas time. Christmas is my favorite holiday of the year, and it's just so like, oh, I always feel very good around this time of the year. I have something in mind. I don't have a full vision in my head. Actually, I kind of do. I kind of do. So I did a holiday look many years ago and I put it up on Instagram. It never went up on YouTube. This is what it looked like. And it never went up on YouTube, and it looks so pretty to me. Like, I mean, it's basically just a cut crease and, you know, some shimmers and stuff and a red lip. So I want to use this Bobbi Brown Extra Golden Glow Illuminating Moisture Balm. Hello, are you there? And then I'm gonna just, oh, I feel fancy. Oh wow, that smells super fragrancy. I feel like I'm doing one of those Instagram tutorials where like their face is completely shiny. You know, you always want an extra glow to the skin, especially during the holidays, because we enjoy matching our ornaments. I like this because it's not overpowering. I don't look like a Tin Man. I should have concentrated it on my cheekbones where my highlight will go, but that's all right. In this video, I'm gonna be that fancy auntie because I'm gonna be using the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. They could just be like, oh, I love your makeup. And you could be like, yeah, it's that Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. Like, you know, it hits different that way. You get me? I'm actually going to color correct around my mouth. I should not have put this on first. I'm gonna use this LA Girl Orange Corrector. I haven't used this in a minute. Youkeyy, attempt to use random brushes that you find challenge. My Laura Mercier Translucent Medium Deep. This must really be bothering some of you that this foundation is just sitting there on my face. Now we are here. So I will be using this 35G Bronze Goals palette from Morphe. I don't remember when they put this out. It could have been this year. It could have been last year. I feel like it was last year. I'm not 100% sure, but I kept it and I was like, you know what? This is gonna come in handy one day. Ew, why? I'm gonna use this shade here. I don't care what name it is, to be honest. It's a deep brown with a little bit of what looks like blue reflex in it. Hopefully they don't really pick up. Okay, I think we should be good. Very lightly blending it out. Next, I'll be taking this shade above it. Like what's going on right in here. It's a lot easier for me to just take the brush that I use to apply or to blend out my eye base and just tap in there, and it'll kind of like erase whatever situation is going on there. All right, I'm gonna have to take that first color up a little bit higher because I know how my eye likes to do when I need to start cutting my crease. I'm gonna go back into this shade. And I'm just gonna keep going back and forth until I get the result that I want. There are a lot of shimmers in here, it feels like. I will be cutting my crease I like doing both eyes at the same time because that way I can adjust instead of doing one eye and completing it. Because for me, it's harder for me to like match them symmetrically when one eye is done and I have to try to match the other side. At least like as I go, I can even them out, you know? Especially because I have two different eye shapes. Low-key, I could leave it like this, but let's just set it with a color or something. We use this baby here. Gosh, this brush is thick. Picking up a little bit more orange than it looks in the pan. I'm gonna line my waterline with the NYX Wonder Pencil. This is in the shade Dark. I'll be using my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Dark 46. So what I've been doing ever since I got my brows microbladed, I take a little bit, I actually don't use any product on the blender. Tap it on the beginning portion of the brows so that way it fades them out a little bit, because I mentioned in a previous video that the final microblading result was giving me a bit of block brows vibes. So that's what I do for that. I always do it off camera, but I just wanted to let you guys know, just so you know. Hello there, how do you do? Oh, by the way, this is Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. MAC mineralized skin finish to add some warmth back into this piece. I don't know what's been going on with my what is going on with this under eye? Whatever, dude. My Prime Beauty bronzer. And for my final trick, I will be using the Buried Away blush from Mented. I feel like there's a lot going on right now. So I think it's only befitting to use a shimmer to the inner tear duct, as I would always normally do anyway. I'm really looking at this shade, but I think this might be a better idea. Yeah. And if I don't like it, I'll just go over it with the orange one. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna spray my brush because obviously this needs some help. Does that work? What do you think? I think it works. Let's go ahead and do the lower lash line. Pretty much using all the shades that I used previously and in the same order. The lashes I'll be using are the Style Iyawo by Allure by AV. I'll have the coupon code down below and the links and all of that. But while those are drying, I'm actually gonna put on my highlighter. I'll be using the Laura Mercier Indiscretion highlighter. I love this highlight. Oh my God, look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh! This is my favorite highlight brush and it's starting to kind of wobble a bit there on me. You know what, actually, this can't hurt, right? I mean, it makes sense. Lining my lip with this. It's the LA Girl lip liner in the shade Deep Red. Oh, y'all can't even see, sorry. I do that a lot. I would just do the whole makeup tutorial like this. And finally, for the lip shade that is probably my favorite red ever, Cherry Blossom by Colored Rain. You guys, if you don't have this in your collection, what are you doing? What are you doing? I cannot even. Okay, let me be careful because I don't want this to get on my trays. It's gonna be a pain to get off. I'm a whole new woman, baby. So we're not quite done yet. I do have a little bit of an idea to execute. I was thinking some red glitter, a dot right down here. Now I have these OPV glitter liners and I can't pick which one. This looks more like an orangey red. This is more like a pinkish. Yeah, pinkish red. Let's see if you guys can see the difference. I think I'm gonna go with this one. If it's too orangey looking, I'll add the other one on top. Let's see. Let me let this dry down because I don't want it to get everywhere because that would be a disaster. Ooh, I like that. Too late, it spread down. It doesn't look too bad though. It's just longer on this side. Oh, I can't be bold, darling. That's the vibe this is giving me. So here we have our holiday look with a splash of extra AF because, honey, we are luxury. We are beautiful. We are talented. We are prosperous. We are fulfilled. We are the epitome of class, darling. All right, that's enough. If not for the fact that I need to wash this off, I would have just went out to Walmart or something because, baby, it's a vibe, it's a look. It's everything. Yeah, this is my rendition of a holiday glam look, and I hope that you liked it. Yo, this Morphe 35G Bronze Goals palette, though, low-key came through because, sis, she was delivering the depth of brown shades that I've not been able to get before in other palettes. Obviously, we cannot forget the OG, the girl that did it when nobody else had the audacity or the courage to do it. Cherry Blossom. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and also comment down below in the comment section to let me know what you think. What would you change? How would you rock this? Where would you rock this to? And if you are not following me on Instagram, be sure to do so. I'm at Youkeyy _ YOUKEYY_ high quality pictures, baby. Yes. I do hope that you guys have a wonderful Christmas, New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, and any other holidays that you celebrate. Thank you so much for hanging out with me once again, guys. And I do hope to see you in the next one, Lord willing. Stay blessed. Bye. Kissing you underneath that mistletoe. Oh, let me sing.